Hi, thanks for watching. Let's take a look at the Dow. So in the daily time frame, it looks like the 9-week low, which is synchronous with the 20-day low, is probably in. Forecast was between the 18th and 25th of January. Let's bring some data in and see what's happened. Okay, so prices got back up to approximately the all-time high, has hesitated briefly, and I expect that it will continue to push up, break into all-time highs. The 9-week low is confirmed. It actually occurred on the 20th, which is between the 18th and 25th. And I think we can update everything related to that. The next zone that we'll be looking at is the 40-day zone. And further out, a 20-day. We won't bother too much about the 20-day at this stage. Let's update cycles. Because the low of the 20th of January has been labelled, that shifts our 40-day zone just slightly. And so now we can get some dates for that. If you'd like early access to these cycle outlook videos soon after trading ends, instead of delayed on YouTube, you can subscribe to the early access list. The link is at the top of the description. So what's happening at the moment? Well, we've got this little 20-day, but also the larger 9-week, which is not shown on this phasing. We've got the little 20-day pushing up. We've got a larger 9-week pushing up. And it'll be a while before we get the 40-day pushing down into here and this little 20-day pushing down into here, while the 9-week is still going. So I would anticipate that we'll get new all-time highs, and I expect that we won't see anything that looks like a high until we get in the region approaching that time zone. So perhaps the high might be, well, we've got an FLD forecast there. So I would anticipate that the high might occur in that time period. Let's be specific. Now, tops are tough, so very hard to be specific. But given that I've drawn this on, somewhere between the end of January, 31st of January, and the 7th of February. Let's see. Thanks for watching.